Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We're doing an unboxing of the Kindle Colorsoft, but it's on the end of this video. I ran downstairs, I already shot the video and everything. I'm like, no, we gotta get a graphic novel on here. So we got Marvel's Doctor Strange versus Doctor Doom, and I wanted you to see the colors, right? And the loading of it and how fast it works, okay? So here we go. It's pretty quick when it comes to loading. And there's a page, you can kind of see the page, zoom in on it. And you can pinch to zoom, and the colors are a little off, but they're not bad. Like, it's definitely readable. Like a graphic novel, it's a little bit hard for me to see this without my glasses, but I could probably read that, right? So as we come through it again, the load times aren't too bad. And then, oh, let me get out of there. And let's go next page. I'm not a good navigator on this. There we go. So there's another page, and you can kind of see the colors, right? So you can kind of see the colors. It's not horrible. In fact, it's kind of enjoyable. It's not bright, but yet they're there in a way that you can see them. And again, you can pinch the zoom. So if you want to read the box and read it, you can. The refresh isn't too bad on it. It's a little annoying, but isn't too bad. Okay, and then you can just keep going through the book. And let me see if I can click it back so I can see the full panel instead of half panel there. But the colors are really refreshing. They're really good. And I just wanted to show you that because I think an unboxing wouldn't have been fair without going through the colors, because this is why people are buying this device. And it's pretty good. Like, I'm very impressed with it. It's a little flat. They're a little washed out. But for a device you can take everywhere and read your graphic novels, maybe get into some of the color stuff, it actually looks pretty good. Like, I mean, look at that. That looks pretty good. So for the full unboxing, you can watch it now, but I had to run down here and get this real quick because, I thought it would be really important to have this view. So again, unboxing starts now. It's gonna seem like a new video, but we're gonna cut to it right now. Just wanted to get you a quick look at the color so you can kind of see what this looks like. Leave comments down below. Is this something you're gonna buy? If you're into this stuff, let me know what you think. All right, here's the video. The video I just shot. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. JV here, excited you're with me. I wasn't planning on doing this video. You can see sweatshirt thrown on, but look what just came in. The Kindle Colorsoft is here. I wasn't even gonna buy this thing, but then what happened was there was an overwhelming response to, hey, let's check this thing out. So I'm gonna open it up, take a look at it, and see what it looks like. We've got the Kindle here. We can kind of compare it to the Paperwhite. We've got the Scribe, which I think everybody's waiting to see, which would be color. I do have the Kobos, but I don't have the color edition. Kobo, you could send me those if you want to. That would be pretty cool. But let's get the unboxing done, all right? So we've got one sticker there, two stickers there. Kind of a cool box. Kindle Colorsoft. See it here. It says Signature 32 gigabyte edition metallic black. So let's see what the feel is like. Okay, welcome to a new world of color. So it comes in with the Kindle, okay? It's got a little booklet here, which tells you how to turn it on. And also there's a magnet. If you get the magnet thing to plug it into it, I just didn't do that. I was like, I'm never gonna use that thing. So I just went straight with it. USB-A to USB-C, that's weird. Usually you get USB-C to USB-C now, but USB-A to USB-C. It is what it is. All right, so the box is kind of good. Okay, let's open this up. We've got the Welcome to the New World of Color. Here we go. Pretty expensive for a Kindle. We're gonna take it out of the box. Will I read more with this? I don't know, we'll see. Okay, there we go. As the Kindle screens are with all these, you can tell that it's obviously has a little bit of a kind of a drab color to it. It's always not the best. Let's wake that one up. Let's wake this one up. See how long it takes us to sign in. We'll unlock that Kindle. Okay, so I do like the color. It's the same profile. See, it's pretty, I like that size. I do like the size. Let's go ahead and open it up and see how long it takes. Pretty quick there. Okay, let's go ahead and go English. United States. First take on it. Again, the colors are always kind of washed out on these devices right now. Nothing has really hit a home run like, wow, that's the best color ever. So it still kind of has a little bit of a kind of a washout there. See, I don't have any color books. Trying to find something that Dopamine Nation looks good on there. let's just see here. Hey, we're in vivo how long this takes. Looks like it's loading pretty quick. I'm gonna put my username and password in, I'm sure, so they can download some books from my library. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let's set up the Kindle. Let's go ahead and set it up. Okay, we're back. Do we want to make it kid friendly? No, let's just get in this sucker. Okay, the white's pretty good. No thanks. I got a lot of books. No thanks. No thanks. No. Ah, this thing. Okay, there we go. No thanks. Okay, there we go. So you can kind of see very similar software. Okay, more menus. It does look good. I mean, it's not bad. Let's cut the colors. Oh, that's the warmth, right? So I do like it a little bit blue. Let's turn the brightness up a little bit. Yeah, it's kind of nice. You can kind of see the color on the books. Now, obviously, my first experience, it does add to the color of the I don't have any comics in here, so I got to try that. But definitely the colors on the covers look pretty good. It's not too bad. Like, this looks pretty good. Let's just go into the library here. And let's go into this same book and take a look at the... Again, I just use these books for primarily reading. I'm not using these for anything else. So let's go into Success Ministers. Let's open this up. Ready to open. Okay, let's open that up. Same page. Opening. Opening. Return to the page, swipe to the right. Okay. So you can see, okay, and again, let's go down and give it a little bit of warmth here and to see. I think it looks a little clearer on the screen. Can you see that? It looks a little clearer on the... And I might have a setting here. Let's just make sure we're set up. 5 and brightness is 22. 5 or 3. Let's go 5 and brightness 22. Okay, let's see. A little bit more yellow. You kind of see it there. But it's not bad. I got to get a comic. So like I said, I just opened this up or a couple. I just want to do a quick video so you can kind of see what the unboxing was. It looks, it's decent. Page color. Oh, what's this do? Oh, okay, that makes it black or white. Same as the regular settings. So it's pretty good. I always have trouble with the Kindle getting to the books. Okay, here we go. Let's see this. Oh, wait, there's some colors there. Page 16. Okay, so that's different. Why is it so dark? Oh, because the brightness went down when I'm playing around with it. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Back to the library. Man, toolbar. Same. Okay, enough with the tabs. Go back to library. All right, interesting. So first take, just real quick. I do like the color on the color is not bad. I thought it would be a lot more bland, and that's just on the cover. So obviously it's going to work. It's pretty fast. I'm going to get a couple comics, some graphic novels, and do a full review on it and see if it's now my daily carrier over my Kindle. I do like the Kobo, as I've mentioned, which I do carry, but as far as weight-wise, it's still the weight's the same. It just, is this worth the premium that you're paying versus a Kobo? Again, if you have all your books on the on the Kindle, obviously if you want to go color, this is going to be your device. and it's called the, what is it, the Kindle Colorsoft. But if you got Kobo, obviously there's some good options that are a little less expensive. But overall, pretty good experience. I mean, it's exactly the same. It's just added color. That's kind of what I feel. It's just an upgrade. If you don't want color, then just stay with your regular Kindle and you're not going to need it. But if you want color and you graphic novels, maybe highlighter, maybe, you know, coloring, like you want some color in there, then it might work. And it does give you kind of a cool look when you're looking at your books, but I don't necessarily know if that's worth the upgrade. Let me know in the comments below. Quick unboxing, full review coming. Just literally got this in today. Kindle Colorsoft, pretty cool. Kind of impressed. I like the color. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. It works pretty good. All right, let me know in the comments down below what you think about the Kindle Colorsoft. Talk to you soon. We'll see you in the next video.